Hi friend, in this video I will describe total trade by trade analysis of this year till date. I will recap a trade log and I am talking about this Power Lantern Jackpot Nifty Trade Excel strategy. Where in this ebook I describe the strategy in details, and I am talking about this Excel sheet where we actually find tomorrow's jackpot opportunity today. I will also discuss today about the details result of this trade strategy till date. Here I show you the performance of this strategy since 2nd January was our first trade in this year. From then, we have the last trade was the 9th April. There was a 93-point loss in this trade. Before that, there was a consecutive profit. So, overall, if I see this year, January to April, total trade was 27, profitable trade was 18, losing trade was 9. The success ratio is 67%. Total losing point in this 9 losing trade was minus 431.40 point 40 point, sorry, and total gain point was 2273.65. Average point loss per trade was roughly around 47-48 point. Average point gain per trade was roughly around 126.3. So it's a risk reward ratio of 2.63. Total point gain was 1842. This strategy trading with one lot has gained 1,38,168.75 profit. Here I mention the detailed track sheet trade by trade, and this is the summary. One can download this Excel sheet. I am talking about this Excel sheet. Now I will demonstrate you how to do trade. With this, the detailed track sheet is available here, and one can download this from the link available. Now I will show you last two trade based on this strategy. Now one of the trade was on 7th of April. I am now the data the previous day was 3rd of April, so I will enter the 3rd of April data here to check whether there was any opportunity. As per as it says, is tomorrow is a Power Lantern jackpot opportunity. That's mean if we enter the data here of today, then it will say whether next day is an opportunity or not. So let's say what you have to do, you have to enter the first and second 15-minute candle high low and the last 15-minute candle high low. First candle high low, second candle high low, and the last candle high low. This is a 15-minute candlestick chart. So if I enter, and if there is an yes over here, then what you have to do, you have to trade on the breakout of next day first 15-minute candle. So up if it is says yes, then next day you have to wait first 15-minute and then you have to trade above or above the high of that first 15-minute. If it is break upside, then you will go long. If it is break downside, then you will go short. This is very simple. Now I will show you the last two trade. First was the 3rd April data. So high of the first candle was 8291.75, and the low of the first candle 3rd April was 8111.70, and the second candle high was 8145, and the low was 8105, and third candle high was sorry, last candle high was 8110.00 and the low was 8079.95. As you can see, this has changed to yes. That means next day, this is the first 15-minute candle. You have to trade above the it has break up upside, so you have to trade above this, and your stop loss should be here and your exit will be at 3 p.m. So your exit will be around this candle. So this is the trade I entered in this track sheet. The last the trade was entered on 7th April at 8455 was entry and 8850 was the close. So the high of that candle was 8454. So that is the reason I take you have to take the entry above that. So around 8455, and last 3 p.m. candle was at 8856. So roughly around 8850 was your exit. So there was a 395 point of the game. Now I will show you the latest trade. So again, there was a trade on this day where we lose 93 point. So again, if I delete it, as you can see, it is showing no try next day. So if I there was a trade opportunity on 9, so 8th data we will enter the first candle high low. The first candle high was 8816.25 and the low was 8712.20. The second candle high was 8908.85, low was 8781.20, and the last candle high was 8763.90 and the low was 8736.40. As it says yes, so next day we have entered above this candle. The first candle high was 8997, so your entry will be 8998. 8998 will be your entry and your stop loss will be 8905 kind of level, and in this candle it has got triggered and then it's move high, but then we exited at stop loss, so we lose 93 point here. I am highlighting these portions as you can see. So there was a loss of 108.6 minus 68.93 point, but there was also gain of 395, 424, 433 point. So overall, this strategy so far has delivered good result. As I mentioned, there was 27 trade, profitable trade was 18, losing trade was 9, and this track sheet is available with the Excel, this Power Lantern Jackpot Excel sheet, where you have to track first 15-minute candle, second 15-minute candle, and last 15-minute candle of today to find whether there is a opportunity in next day or not. So one day before you will able to understand whether you have to trade tomorrow or not, and you have your trading plan ready. Thank you so much for your time. Have a good day. I will get back to you soon with trade recap.